Hello and welcome back everyone to Login Helps. This is where we provide assistance with logging in and signing up with various applications and websites. Today we will be showing you how to watch movies or series on Netflix. If you don't have a Netflix account, first you will need to sign up. In order to do that, go into your web browser and then type in netflix.com in the address bar and press enter. You will be taken into the official website of Netflix. In order to sign up, just type in your email address in the box and then click on Get Started. From there, click Next and set a password for your account. You can also check on the box if you don't wish to receive any email notifications from Netflix regarding their offers. Now click on Next button and then choose your streaming plan by clicking on Next once again. After selecting from the list of preferred plans, click on Next to set up your payment options. You can choose your credit or your debit card, or you can also choose PayPal in order to pay for your streaming services. Once you set up all of your payment options, your sign-up process will be completed. If you already have an account and you need to sign in to watch your movies or TV shows, just click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the Netflix homepage. Now just enter your email address and your password. Then click on the Sign In button. Now just select your user and then enter the PIN code if necessary. Once you do this, you will be logged in to your Netflix account. You can continue to watch any of the movies that you were watching previously from the Continue Watching section. You can also click on the search box to search for any movies or series that you wish to watch. Once you find your show, you can just go ahead and click on it, and your streaming will immediately begin. You can turn the subtitles on by clicking on the subtitle option. From here, you can also change the language of the audio and the subtitles. Once you are done watching, you can click on the back button, and your viewing progress will be saved in the Continue Watching section. So that is how you can use Netflix to watch TV shows or movies on your PC. You can also sign in by using the Netflix application by searching for Netflix in the Microsoft Store. From there, you can install the application, and after launching it, you can use your email address and your password in order to log in to your account and watch movies and series from the application as well. So that is how you can watch TV shows and movies on Netflix. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell as well in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.